Hello friends, welcome back to my channel MVCraftsnest. Today we are doing this simple watercolor painting, the colorful, even the kids will love to do it. I didn't want to make any shapes today or do any flowers or big art, so I started drawing this shapes, uneven shapes, which I used to draw when I was a kid. I used to spend a lot of time doing these kind of shapes. I don't know why. So I thought, why not let me make a watercolor painting with these shapes. So I started making the shapes bigger as I go down. I have made them very narrow and close to each other. Erased all the pencil marks, and then I did the background. First I did purple and a little bit black, and then dabbed it and took out almost all the color mostly. Mostly it's colorful rainbow colors I've used. After I did the background and dabbed all the water away, I'm sorry the camera was not proper, you were not able to see the bottom part. I started doing purple with black first, and then I did just purple. As I applied the color and erased all the lines, I was not able to see them, so I tried to keep the shapes which I already used, and I started doing purple. So these are the wiggly kind of shapes, like it looks like clouds and all those, but it turned out pretty good. I hope you and the kids will do it and enjoy doing the painting. Then I went on to do the blue color. I did the top part mostly with the cool colors. First the darker purple and the purple, and then the blue. I added a lot of water to the blue. Some came out very good. As you can see at the top, there is a lot of gaps in between them. In the end, I tried to fill the gaps. And then I mixed green with blue. So I tried to do the rainbow colors. So as kids like to do a lot of rainbow colors. They want to do rainbow in all the paintings because the kids love colorful ones. On the right side, I started doing little darker versions, so I mixed the green, blue and little bit of black. Here we have to see, when kids are doing it, we have to make sure not to give them lot of black, because little bit black is enough to mix it, otherwise the colors will go completely black, so they won't see the shades. So especially when the kids are doing watercolors, we have to make sure that they're not using a lot of black. And then I mixed yellow and green, so it came as a leaf green. You can see that. As you can see, as we are going down, they are getting narrowed, and I was able to see the lines also, so I tried to be in the lines. This video to make took me almost an hour. I was not able to download the whole video onto my computer from my phone, so I had to crop it 3 times and then download it. The file size was very huge. Now I went on to the yellow, just the regular yellow. For that I had to change the water and get a proper clean brush and erase some more pencil lines, even which were, because as you know, with the yellow we can see a lot of pencil lines, and then I erased those pencil lines too, because as we are using the lighter colors, the pencil lines will be visible. And then I mixed orange with yellow to make a lighter orange. It didn't come out very good orange, it came little muddy, so I'll try to, I haven't done the swatches yet to see how exactly the colors look. These are Prang watercolors, 8 in this set. You can change the color itself. If you don't want that color, you can take that piece off and put any other color. I have ordered a 16 colored one, which is gonna come next week, because I'm almost ran out of yellow. I'm not able to buy one single yellow color. So after taking off the tape, you can see masking tape. You can see how it looked. I did acrylic paint white with a toothbrush. Hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I have used Placeit to make these pics. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.